Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I will share with you some of the best setting and easy tips to edit audio clips on Audacity. There is two ways to edit the audio on Audacity. You can edit manually or you can edit automatically. To edit manually, you have to set all the effects in setting every time you wanna edit an audio. And the second method, editing automatically, also you have to set the effects in setting manually, but only in the first time. After that, all you're gonna do is one click, and Audacity will start editing and doing everything automatically, which is my favorite method. Because of that feature, it saves me a lot of time and effort. I'm gonna show you the best setting and how to edit the audio with just one click. So let's begin the tutorial. After download, install Audacity, open the software. If you already have an audio file, click File and Open, and import the file to the timeline. And if you wanna start recording, simply start recording by clicking on this circle. Before you finish recording, at the end of the clip, add about 10 or 15 seconds of silence, because we're gonna need the silent part of the audio clip for the noise reduction. Okay, we finished recording. Everything is done. Now it's time for editing. First step, go to the tools and click on Macro Manager. Then click New and give it a name. Now click Insert. And here we have a list of the setting and effects. We need Normalize. Press N on the keyboard and select Normalize. It's down here and OK. Now click on Normalize and click Edit. Select these two options. Remove DC, Normalize Peak. Here type -1 and hit Apply. Again, click Insert. This time we need Compressor. Press C on the keyboard. Keep pressing the C until you see Compressor. Select Compressor. OK. Now select Compressor and Edit. Here copy all the numbers you see. -10, 0, 50, 10, and smoothness 1.0, 3.0, 150.0, and hit Apply. Again Insert, and this time press F on the keyboard. We need Filter Curve Echo. Keep pressing F until you see Filter Curve Echo. Again as the previous, select and OK. Edit and click Preset in Settings. Factory Preset, select Treble Boost and Apply. Again Insert, press F until you find Filter Curve Echo and click OK. Click Edit, now Preset Settings, Factory Preset, this time select Bass Boost and Apply. Again Insert and press N. We need Normalize and click OK. Now check the Normalize if the setting is still the same. Edit, OK, everything is correct. Now click Close and select Save. The setting is done. Now every time you wanna edit any audio clip, all you have to do is to go to the tools. Then click Apply Macro and select the name of the setting. I have used my setting as a name. So just one click and that's it. The Audacity will do everything automatically. So that's how to edit your audio in Audacity. Next time when you have an audio file, all you have to do is to go to the tools, then Apply Macro, select my setting, and that's it. And here I will show you an example. This is an audio and I wanna edit this clip. All I'm gonna do now is select entire clip, then Tools, Apply Macro, select my setting, and here we go. Audacity is doing everything. After the editing process finished, if there is any noise in the background, then you need to use noise reduction. Go to the silent part of the audio, select only silent part. Then go to the effect, scroll down, noise removal and repair, and click noise reduction. And here click on Get Noise Profile. Now click entire audio clip and go back to the effects. Again noise removal and repair, noise reduction, this time change the numbers. First option 12, second option 12.50, the last one 7. Select this option, reduce, and click OK. So that's it. Every time you finish editing, if there is any noise in the background, use noise reduction. Just remember the steps. First, select the silent part of the audio, get noise profile, and select entire audio. noise reduction, and OK. It's so simple. One clip for editing, then noise reduction. And if you wanna edit manually, here are the steps you're gonna need. First, normalize. Second, compressor. Third, EQ filter. Fourth, EQ filter again, normalize. And the last one, noise reduction. And just one thing, if you wanna improve the sound of the quality when you're recording or when you record videos or streaming, you can use voicemeeter. Voicemeeter is a software that's gonna help you to make the microphone sounds a little bit better. So if you want to know more about voicemeeter, you can check the link in description or simply click on the video that's gonna appear on the side right now. And that's it for today. I hope you find this useful. Have a good day and thank you for watching.